Cholesterol is a fat in the blood that everyone needs, but many of us have too much of it. There's two reasons for that. There's genetic reasons, meaning that we're just prone to high cholesterol from genetics. And the other reason is diet. And the types of foods that have cholesterol in them are all from animal origins. So reducing your red meat, reducing your dairy and cheese can lower your cholesterol. Getting more exercise and losing weight often lowers cholesterol. Eating more vegetables, fruit, and fiber lowers cholesterol. Going on a more vegan or plant-based diet will lower your cholesterol in most cases. If it's not doing the job, you might have a genetic element, and you might want to speak to your physician about cholesterol-lowering medications, which are often very effective and important.